Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the top 5 best beard trimmer of 2025? Are my full reviews of the top 5 best beard trimmer of 2025? Please like this video and subscribe this channel for a future update. Thank you. Number 1, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro Face Plus Body, model QP6552/90, is a game changer for anyone who wants a clean, comfortable grooming experience without switching between multiple tools. In my video, I highlight its innovative 360 blade technology, which flexes in every direction to stay close to your skin, perfect for tackling those tricky jawline or neck areas. The dual-sided blade design allows precise edging and smooth shaving, while the included body combs and skin guard make it safe and effective for full body grooming. I really appreciated the long battery life and the waterproof design, which means you can use it in or out of the shower with no fuss. It's lightweight, ergonomic, and feels premium in the hand. Whether you prefer stubble, a short beard, or a fully smooth finish, the OneBlade 360 Pro delivers fast results with minimal irritation. A solid all-in-one trimmer that truly lives up to the hybrid name. Number 2, the Norelco Philips Multigroom 3000 Series MG3770/40 is a product worth checking out. In this video, we dive deep into this 15-piece men's grooming kit, exploring every feature and sharing real-life usage insights to help you decide if it's right for you. First off, the build quality of the Multigroom 3000 is impressive for its price range. The trimmer feels solid in hand, lightweight yet sturdy, which makes it easy to maneuver across different areas of the face and head. The attachments included in the kit are comprehensive. A precision trimmer, full-size trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, multiple combs for hair and beard lengths, and even a soft pouch for easy storage and portability. This makes it a one-stop grooming solution, whether you want a clean shave, a stylish beard, or precise edge detailing. One of the standout features is that no blade oil is needed, which means less maintenance and more convenience for everyday use. The self-sharpening blades stay effective over time, ensuring consistent performance without the hassle of regular upkeep. The trimmer is also designed for versatility, able to handle hair, beard, and even body grooming comfortably. In terms of performance, the trimmer provides a smooth cut with minimal tugging, which is great for sensitive skin. Battery life is solid, offering enough runtime for multiple grooming sessions, and the charging process is straightforward. It's clear that Philips engineered this device with the modern man's busy lifestyle in mind. The video also demonstrates how easy it is to swap attachments, clean the blades, and adjust settings for different grooming styles. Overall, the Multigroom 3000 MG 3770/40 stands out for its combination of affordability, quality, and versatility. Whether you're a grooming novice or someone who likes to maintain multiple styles, this kit covers all bases without cluttering your bathroom counter. If you want an efficient, reliable, and low-maintenance grooming companion, this video shows why the Philips Multigroom 3000 series is a top contender in the men's grooming category. Number 3, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger is a game changer. In my latest video, I dive deep into why this premium trimmer stands out. First off, the 20-length adjustable blade will gives you unmatched precision, whether you're going for a subtle stubble or a full, defined beard. The stainless steel T-blade effortlessly glides through hair, making clean lines and sharp edges easy to achieve, even in tricky spots. What really impressed me is the cordless, waterproof design, allowing wet or dry use without any hassle. The ergonomic build feels solid yet comfortable, and the battery life easily keeps up with regular grooming routines. I also tested it on sensitive areas, and the results were smooth and irritation-free. The Beard Hedger doesn't just trim, it transforms your grooming routine into a precise, enjoyable experience. Whether you're a beard novice or a seasoned pro, this tool delivers professional results at home. Watch the video to see it in action and get a closer look at its innovative features. It's truly worth every penny for anyone who takes their beard seriously. Number 4, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 series is a powerhouse. In my video, I showcase how this 23-piece kit handles everything from trimming your beard, hair, nose, and ears to body grooming. The titanium-coated blades are sharp, durable, and glide smoothly without tugging, giving a precise cut every time. The fully washable design and long-lasting rechargeable battery make maintenance effortless. An included travel pouch adds convenience for on-the-go grooming. I also demonstrate its multiple attachments, showing how easy it is to switch between stubble, detailed edges, or full haircuts. Perfect for men who want professional quality results at home, this trimmer combines performance, comfort, and durability in one sleek package. Number 5. The SHPAVVER Vacuum Beard Trimmer for Men, and it's honestly a game changer for grooming. With 20 adjustable length settings, it gives precise control for everything from stubble to a full beard, and styling my mustache and sideburns has never been easier. The built-in vacuum is a genius addition. It really cuts down on cleanup, catching almost all the trimmed hair instantly. It's fully rechargeable, and I was impressed by the long-lasting battery life. Plus, the IPX6 waterproof rating means I can use in the shower without worry. The 2 comb attachments make switching lengths quick and convenient, and the ergonomic design feels comfortable during extended use. Overall, it's efficient, easy to clean, and delivers professional quality results at home. Highly recommend for anyone serious about facial hair grooming. A definite upgrade to any daily routine.